If your door alarm sensor isn't working, then there are generally 4 reasons for this. The door contact is broken, for example the magnet has desensitized. To fix this, all you need to do is to remove and replace the contact. The gap between the 2 contacts is too large. To fix this, you need to move the contacts closer to each other. Wires have come loose from the contact. To fix this, you need to check the wires and refix. The wire to the door contact has been damaged. To fix this, you need to join and replace the cable. Please note, if your door alarm sensor isn't working, then it's likely that A tamper indicator on your alarm panel will show on the door zone. B, it's likely that your alarm system will not set properly. If you want a professional engineer to fix your alarm system, get in touch with the Smart Security team.